Want to create a complete AI song from just one idea? With Sonauto AI, you can describe the music you want and generate a full-length track with vocals, lyrics, and instrumentals in minutes. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to use Sonauto AI to create a song, step by step. Hello everyone, welcome back. Let's get started. First, open the official Sonauto AI website. Sign into your account, then go to the Create section. You'll see two creation modes, Simple and Advanced. If you're a beginner, start with Simple mode. Here, all you need to do is describe the song you want. For example, an emotional pop song about chasing your dreams, with powerful vocals, cinematic piano, energetic drums, and a catchy chorus. Now choose the available AI model. Sonauto's newer V3 model can generate full-length songs and supports a huge range of musical styles. Next, click Generate. Sonauto analyzes your idea and automatically handles the musical style, vocals, lyrics, and overall structure. Once the generation starts, wait for your track to process and then listen to the result. But if you want more control, switch to Advanced mode. Here you can guide the song more precisely. You can provide your own lyrics, create an instrumental track without vocals, specify musical styles, and give the AI more detailed instructions about exactly what you want. For example, if you're creating a YouTube background track, choose instrumental and describe something like upbeat electronic background music, modern synths, energetic beat, no vocals, perfect for a technology video. Generate the track and compare the result with your original idea. If it doesn't sound right, don't immediately change everything. Adjust your prompt, genre, instruments, or mood, and generate another version. Sonauto's latest model can create songs several minutes long, making it useful for full songs rather than only short AI music clips. Now let's talk about the biggest limitation. AI music isn't completely predictable. Sometimes the vocals, lyrics, or musical style may not match exactly what you imagined. So getting the perfect track can require multiple generations. Once you're satisfied with your song, save it to your account and use the available sharing or download options for your project. If this How to Use Sonauto AI tutorial helped you, like this video, subscribe for more AI music tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one. Sonauto AI is surprisingly easy for beginners because you can start with a simple idea, but advanced mode gives you much more control when you want a specific sound.